I've found that car events here in Canada are either at the track or at a local parking lot. For the most part, they're low-key, like chillin' with your friends. This event isn't exactly a secret, but unless you're already part of Canada's JDM, drift, or stance community, there's a good chance you've never heard of it. And I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. iCar Route 66 hosts on an old airport site from back in the day, which means that these events can be huge. I arrive on Friday, and I'm immediately impressed with the track layout. Friday is where the drift community gets settled in, practicing on the track for tomorrow's team competitions, and this just gives everyone a chance to have fun. It's low stakes. But with the sunset looking this beautiful, everyone was rewarded. I even got a chance to ride with my boy Liam. Go watch the doc if you haven't. More and more drivers get their practice in, getting a feel for the track. the sun finally setting, the Gymkhana event can begin, which is basically drifting around barrels. Now, for one moment in particular, everyone's phone lights were turned on as the cars came out. And this was just a surreal experience. Genuinely like nothing I've ever seen before. Not in motorsports. This was a special way to wrap up the night, and we're only getting started.
Sidebar, real quick. I just want to let you know I filmed a documentary about 2 months ago, hoping that I could complete it in 30 days to submit it to the International Motor Film Awards. Successfully, I did submit it, which is fabulous. I want to thank the guys at Slip Club, Liam, for just helping me out through the process, letting me film them. As a result, we ended up being selected for 2 awards, which is crazy considering I worked on this myself, which is wild to me. If you haven't seen it, go watch it. Let's just see what happens. I'm still waiting to hear from a number of film festivals besides the International Motor Film Awards, and we'll just go from there. So, thanks.
Saturday comes, and from the parking lot to the stands, the place is packed.
I know where I'm at now, taking it back now. They told me to slow down, my foot on the gas now. The venue is packed out, the whip is so blacked out. Remember they hated on me, that shit in the past now. Came through and I'm drip, still need my fix. I don't got time for all that fake shit, I show my face and I dip. Hardy song getting skipped, still flipping that script. See my name and they flocking now, but I keep them out of that mix.
Now, while this is all happening, everyone is getting warmed up for the drifting tandem competition. Now, everyone's putting in some serious work, but unfortunately, not everyone can make it to the actual event. Things happen. And now, it's time to show off everyone competing in the event. All before it's time to get serious in a head-to-head elimination style battle. But only one team could take it home. Celebrations all around, and don't forget the champagne. Although the competition ended, the crowd didn't need to go home. People could make their way over to the pits, hang out with the drivers, get to know everybody, and the remainder of the afternoon was just chill. Ride-alongs, more tandems, great vibes.
You guys ready to have a good time?
JDM Fest was an absolute treat. What an incredible time. And it's insane how I didn't even know this existed. I can see why people say this is the best event of the season.
Wrapping up an awesome day, JDM Fest. We had some of the best times I think I've ever had when it comes to filming and also just with motorsports culture in general. For me, you know, it's been an absolute blast getting to know everybody. It's been an absolute blast filming and having such an incredible opportunity to film such awesome dudes. Like, it's just been great. This is what I feel like these events is all about. You come to these events not knowing exactly what it's going to turn out to be like, and then I've just been blown away with the positivity, the camaraderie, like the genuine passion for this culture. It's insane and it's infectious, and I can't wait to film some more. I can't wait to meet more people, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.